Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another edition of the 3Rivers Market Report. Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with the latest numbers, and we're seeing a lot of up arrows and great signs for buyers. Not too dispelling for sellers, but we're definitely moving towards a buyer's market. Moving there, not there yet. Still a seller's market. Still right about 2 months inventory, but we're getting closer to that 3 month, that 1,100 homes mark that we need to get to that 3 months of inventory to start to have a balanced market. 3 to 6 months is what they call a balanced market. In Fort Wayne, based on last 12 months sales, we'd need somewhere in between 1,100 and 2,200 homes to be in that 3 to 6 month category. So we saw active available listings up 7% week over week, up 42% year over year. And we're seeing the most active available listings than we've seen in years, I tell you. Went back through 5 years of data. We're seeing more active available listings right now than there have been in 5 years. Showing demand still about 3.04 buyers per listing. So while I'm saying we're still in the seller's market, but becoming more a buyer's market. So there's more choices out there for you, more homes available to choose from. New listings came in up 6% week over week, up 31% year over year. Solds came in up 34% week over week, up 3% year over year. Pendings was one of our downs, down 18% week over week, but up 4% year over year. Median sale price came in at $270,000, showing 15% appreciation. So we've been seeing some depreciation and downward pressure on prices, but we're seeing 2 weeks in a row with appreciation, and we've still, over the last 12 months rolling, still have 4% appreciation. So homes are still worth more now than they ever have been, and it looks like they're still appreciating. Days on market sped up to 26 average, 9 median, and versus last year, that's a little bit slower. It was 17 average and 4 median, and it was definitely faster than last week when we had 38 average and 12 median. So definitely sped up quite a bit from last week, but we're still slower than last year. Last 12 months homes sold came in at 4,432 versus last year at this time 4,339, showing we're still showing an increase in homes sold about 2.1%. That is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.